Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove restriction from your Kuda account using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the Kuda bank app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. If your account is restricted, you will usually see a message or alert on the home screen. This message tells you that some actions are limited. Most restrictions happen because of verification issue. Tap the More or Menu option at the bottom right corner of your screen, or simply tap on your profile at the top and tap Account Details or Verification. Here, check if Kuda is asking for something like a valid ID card, a selfie, or update personal information. If you see any request, tap it and upload the required details. Make sure your information is clear and correct. After submitting, wait for Kuda to review your details. This can take a few hours or sometimes a few days. If you don't see any option to fix it yourself, don't worry, go back to the app and tap Help or Support. Then choose Chat with us. In the chat, clearly say my Kuda account is restricted. Please help me remove the restriction. The support team may ask you to confirm some details or submit document. Follow their instruction carefully. Once everything is approved, your account restriction will be removed and you can use your Kuda account normally again. And that's it. That's how you remove restriction from a Kuda account using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.